Welcome students. Today I will discuss a simple technique of calculation using the log table, which I have discussed in the last video. How to see the characteristics mantissa and log of a number which is equal to characteristics plus mantissa. Some numbers are given in the table. Let us revise our concept of logarithm of a number. Suppose a number 870.4 is given. There are 3 digits in a number and this number is greater than 1. So 3 digits minus 1 is equal to 2 is the characteristics of this number, and mantissa is seen from the log table as 87th row in the leftmost column. See the number 87 and see the log of 87 under the column 0 and 4 and add these values of 87th row in 0 and 4, and this sum will be equal to the logarithm of a number, that is equal to 2.9397. We have to see the log as 0.9397 and add it to characteristics 2. Characteristics plus mantissa is the logarithm of this number. I have taken all the digits same purposefully 8704, only characteristics is different. If number is less than 1, then here minus of into bracket number of zeros between decimal point and first non-zero digit plus 1 is the characteristics of this number. Here there are no zeros, so 0 plus 1 is 1 and minus 1 is the characteristic, so bar 1 is written, and in the logarithm also bar 1.9397 is written. In the next number there is 1 0, so 1 plus 1 is 2 and number is less than 1, so characteristics is bar 2. Let us solve the example. Find the value of 8492 into 3.75 divided by 47.8 multiplied by 52.24. Let this number as an x. There is a division numerator upon denominator, and in the numerator there is a multiplication. So use the rules of logarithm. Log of multiplication is the sum of the logarithm, and division of the logarithm is the subtraction of logarithm. Using this rule, log of x is equal to log of log of numerator minus log of denominator. Same if you write vertically, add vertically and subtract vertically, there will be no mistake. So write the numbers in the numerator, 2 numbers in the numerator, see their logs, and write the numbers in the denominator, see their logs. Take the sum of logarithms in the numerator and take the sum of logarithms in the denominator and subtract the numerator from denominator and see the antilog of the division. You will get a number which corresponds to this division. When you add horizontally there may be mistakes, but vertically there are less number of mistakes. So you should try to add vertically, subtract vertically, and find logarithm and anti-logarithm. Antilog of the operation will give you the final value. Let us discuss how to see reciprocal. We know that 1 upon 5 is 0.2. But how much is 1 upon 5.1, 1 upon 5.4? We can see it in the log table. When we want to see 1 upon 5.4, then it can be seen as the leftmost column 5.4, value of 5.4 in 0th column is 0.1832. So we get the value less than 0.2 as this number is bigger. So we have to search from top to bottom to the row 5.4 and then see the value under the column 0. Next, if we want to see the value of 1 upon 5002, in the log table there is column of 5.0, so convert the denominator into 5.012. We can write this as 5.012 into 10 raised to 3 and see the value of 5.0 row under column 1 and subtract the mean difference. In the log table here it is given subtract. So we have to subtract the mean difference. See, we have to subtract the mean difference column and value is in the decimal 0.000, whatever value is given. Now see, we have to see the value of 5.0 in 1, 2. It is 0.1996 and in 2 it is 1. So subtract 0.001 and we will get here value as 0.1995 in the log table and multiply this by 10 raised to minus 3. From the denominator it will become minus 3. So total value we get as 0.1995 into 10 raised to minus 3. See again, 1 upon 5 is 0.2. So here we can check 5.0 under 0th column it is 0.2000. Value of 5.4 under 0th column is 0.1852. Yes, 0.1832. Sorry, it should be 5.2. You can see on the next page reciprocal of numbers from 5.5 up to 9.9. Value of 1.0 is seen on the first page in the first row. In the next video we will see more details on the log table, how to use log table. Thank you.